Hello and welcome back to this Academy series on the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator. So where we last left off is we had looked at our configuration for our alerts, and we also looked at our TCO optimizer, and we also looked at our group recording rules. Now, lots of teams like myself in the past would have used Prometheus rules, and this is a sample of a Prometheus rule, and it has a very straightforward alert in it. Now, the other wonderful thing about the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator is if we take this Prometheus rule and we apply it, and we also apply some labels to it. Here, the tracking recording rules set it to true and set the tracking alert rules to true. If we run this kubectl apply for this Prometheus rule and then label that Prometheus rule, something very, very special is going to happen. So let's just run that. So both, the apply has created the sample Prometheus rule in Kubernetes, and the kubectl label has then added these two labels in place, which is really good. So what is going to happen is that they will now, that Prometheus sample rule is now in there. So if we switch back to here, if we then extend this rule set, I always like to keep my rules in one Prometheus rule. So what I'm going to use is actually cheat and use a little bit of Copilot here just for ease of doing that. So if I do that, oh, you should have switched to 2. Oh, that's what I'm going to do. I should have done it with the alert, shouldn't I? Oh, let me just get rid of all this for a second. If I actually do this with the alert, oh, I came too far. So if I do this, there's an alert too. Super, so Copilot is, also does a recording rule as well. So if we hit save on that. So what we've done, we've updated the Prometheus rule. We have extended the Prometheus rule. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reapply it using that command, and that has been reconfigured. So if we go in here, we will see that we now have 2 Prometheus rules. And the use case for this is that if you are a team that has many Prometheus rules already in place and you want to keep those Prometheus rules, the Coralogix Kubernetes Operator, by applying those 2 labels to your existing Prometheus rules, will mean that they then become resources, alert resources in this particular case, within your Coralogix account. And that is fantastic for teams that want to either migrate their existing rules or keep their existing rules and then further configure their Coralogix account with the CRDs. See you in the next video.